Students, today let us discuss about that specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of a given system plays a very important role in determining the structure of and molecular nature of the system. Unlike the solids and liquids, gases have the two specific heat. So gases have the two specific heat. One is heat capacity at the constant temperature. Next one is here specific heat capacity at the constant volume. Okay, so now you see that first one, the constant, the heat, the specific heat capacity at the constant pressure. Okay, now you see the diagram. This is the cylindrical part. This is pistons, this is gas. So that it's ash color having, no, that is this also what now, insulator. So this is the container. The cylinder below we see that one candle. So this candle, what happened, it's a heat supply to that gas. Okay, so what happened, that heat supplied to the gas. So here what happened, the pressure is a constant. The pressure is a constant. The heat is a supplied to the internal gas. So internal gas energy is a changed. Okay, so internal gas is a change. So example, the amount of the heat energy required to the rise the temperature of the 1 kg of the substance by the 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius. So that times what happened, the pressure is a constant. So this is called the specific heat capacity at the constant temperature. So 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius heat you are supplied to the gas. So what happened, the internal energy only, it's a changing. The internal energy, it's a reacting. Okay, so but the pressure is a not changing, it is a constant only. Okay, so this is we are telling to that specific heat capacity at the constant temperature. So what happened, the internal energy, it's a working done, work is done. The internal energy, some of the changes having that the internal energy only work the done. Okay, so next you see that specific heat capacity at constant volume. Okay, now you see that the piston is here pushed downwards. So what happened here, that pressure volume is here constant. Here not the liberally in the gas, it's here correctly having, it's what happened, it's here we are constant is a volume. Here constant is a volume. Now again we are applied to the sum of the heat applied to the gas. So what happened here also, that expand to that sum of the gas, sum of the internal energy only, it's a doing work, some of the work is here doing. So it is not a liberally temperature in the outside or inside. Okay, whatever you are having to the inside, that heat molecules, what happens, going to some of the work done. Okay, so it is here the volume is here constant. So you see that it is implies that to increase the temperature of the gas at the constant volume require less heat than the increase the temperature of the gas at the constant pressure. The words so SP means the specific temperature is always greater than specific volume. So எப்படி இருக்கும்னா specific volume is எப்பவுமே less தான் இருக்கும். The constant of specific volume உடைய value always is a less than. So greater than that specific pressure, the pressure always is a greater only. Okay, so next you see that molar specific heat capacity. So now we are doing to the formula. Okay, the molar capacity, molar heat capacity, how to we are taking to that is Cp and Cv. Cp means molar capacity pressure and molar capacity volume, that is a Cv. The amount of the heat required to the rise the temperature of one molecule. So how much of the heat, the one molecule of the heat and you have to apply to the gas. Okay, so that times what happened, that is the temperature of the one molecule of the substance. So one molecule of the substance can apply panna, that is 1 Kelvin or 1 Celsius at the constant volume is called the molar specific heat capacity volume. If the pressure is kept constant, is called the molar specific heat capacity at the constant pressure. So now you see that the equation you are taking to that Q. If your Q means the gas work, okay, so it's a heat supplied to mole of the gas at the constant volume, and if the temperature changes by on or amount del T. So total amount of the temperature on the del T we are taking. So for work done, Q equal to mu CV del T, okay, so next you see that next the work done. So the Q work done out to that means apply law of, you are applying to the law of first thermodynamic. So law of first law of the thermodynamic you have to use பண்ணி the constant of volume processல எப்படி இருக்கும், work done is a 0, okay, அங்கே work done இருக்காது. So since dV equal to 0, so அப்போ Q equal to del U minus 0, so அங்கே என்ன இருக்கும், del V இருக்கும். So you are applying to the 0, okay, so அப்போ Q equal to del V. So this Q equal to del V you are apply to this formula Q. அப்போ apply பண்ணனா what come, del U equal to mu CV dt come, right? So next you see that so that one come, okay. So next you see CV value, the constant volume we want to take the value, right? We are find out. So அப்போ CV இங்கே வச்சுட்டு மீதிய del T and mu they are coming to this side means what up, how to come means 1 by mu 1 by del T வரும். So okay, so that's you are written here, okay, CV equal to 1 by mu du by dt. So this is the temperature and the internal energy or state variable. So in the du dt it is a internal state variable, okay, numbers. So above the relation holds true for any process, it is a true value only. So next we are discuss about the Mayer relation. So இதை வச்சுட்டு இந்த ப்ராசஸை வச்சு நம்ம we have to find out that a Mayer relations, okay. Consider that a mu mole of the ideal gas it in a container with the volume V, pressure P and temperature T, okay. So இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி we have to find out the Mayer relation. When the gas is heated at the constant volume, the temperature increases, okay. When the gas is heated, that time the constant volume the temperature the constant volumeல நம்ம கேஸை வந்து ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது டெம்பரேச்சர் அந்த ஹீட் the temperature level is increases, okay, that is we are dt. As no work is done by the gas, so constant volume constant வச்சு temperature increase பண்ணும்போது they are not having to the work done, it's not doing to the work done, okay, it does not doing work done, okay, work அங்கே இருக்காது. So flow into that the heat that flow into the system will increase only the internal energy. So it is whenever we are constant to the volume constant வச்சுக்கிட்டு temperature increase பண்ணும்போது internal energy level only increases, okay. So that the equation we are taking to the du equal to mu CV dt, okay. So next you see that suppose the gas is heated at the constant pressure on the, so that the constant இது வந்து constant volumeல என்ன இருக்கும், இந்த work done இருக்கும், ஓகேவா. So the constant pressure இருந்தால் by the dt the temperature increase பண்ணும்போது அப்போ Q is the heat supplied in the process, அப்போ dV the change in the volume of the gas. So what happened, the pressure constant வச்சு temperature increase பண்ணும்போது volumeல changes இருக்கும், right? Okay, you see that that is you see that Q equal to mu CV Cp dt, okay, Cp and dt. So this is a pressure, constant pressure. So now you see work done எப்படி இருக்கும், work done W equal to P dV, okay. So அப்போ total work done we have to find out means Q equal to du plus V. So V ஓட value we have to find out, du ஓட value we have to find out, work ஓட value find out. So அப்போ Q ஓட value, W ஓட value, then D ஓட value you have to apply பண்ணா we are get through that this values. So apply to Q ஓட value mu C P dt equal to mu CV dt plus P dV, okay. So next you see that now we are taking to the ideal gas. You see here that we are taking to the ideal gas formula. So ideal gas we have to formula you are taking means So now the Q, dV and dV and work oda value we have to apply. Okay va. So next you see that the dV work done values நம்ம இங்க எடுத்துறோம். You see that the see your book. Okay, the ideal gas oda equations PV equivalent to mu RT. Okay va, PV equivalent to mu RT. Now what happened? Now the P constant வச்சுட்டு என்ன பண்றோம்? P constant, the pressure constant வச்சுட்டு temperature increase பண்ணும்போது வால்யூம்ல சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். அப்ப dV, P equivalent dV, right? So next V constant volume. அப்ப constant volume V வச்சுட்டு dP இன்டகிரேஷன் பண்ணும்போது dP வரும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதில் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், இன்டர்னல் எனர்ஜி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த ஃபார்முலா, இந்த ஐடியல் கேஸோட ஃபார்முலா மியூ ஆர் டிடி. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த டி. ஓகேவா? டிடி. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ சி தட் இஃப் dP equivalent to 0 means, now we are dP equivalent to 0. Why we are taking the dP equivalent to 0? இங்கே என்ன ஆகாது, இந்த வேல்யூஸ் வந்து வால்யூமை கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக வச்சுக்கும் போது வாட் ஹேப்பன், இந்த டிபியில் எந்த ஒரு ஒர்க் டன் இருக்காது. ஸோ டிபி ஈக்குவல் டு 0 இல்லையா? ஸோ வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் டு த 0. அப்போ இந்த போர்ஷன் இஸ் ஏ நெக்லிஜிபிள். அப்போ பி டிவி ஈக்குவல் டு வி, அங்கே 0 அப்ளை பண்ணால் இந்த போர்ஷன் நெக்லிஜிபிள் போயிடும். அப்போ மியூ ஆர் டிடி. So now we are take and write that equation P dV equal to mu R dt. Okay va? So the P dV oda value we have to find out. So that value we have to apply to this equation. First we are find out now Q du. So du Q and work இல்லையா? ஸோ அதோட வேல்யூஸை நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அப்போ இதில் இந்த பிடிவியோட வேல்யூவில் மியூ ஆர் டிடியை அப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ நவ் தட் அப்ளை தட்டை. ஸோ அப்ளை பண்ணால் இங்கே யூ சி தட் ஹியர் யூ ஆர் கீப் இட் ஹியர். இங்கே மியூ இட்ஸ் ஏ காமனாக இருக்குது. ஸோ யூ ஆர் டேக் அவுட் மியூ CV dt plus R dt. Okay va? So here also mu, you are cancelled. So now you see CP dt come. And the CV dt இருக்குல்லையா, அதை இந்த சைட் கொண்டு வந்துங்க. CP CVயும் காமனாக ஒன் சைடாக கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா மைனஸ் CV dt ஈக்குவல் டு R dt. ஸோ இதில் காமனாக dt have. ஸோ யூ ஆர் டேக் அவுட் தட் dt CP மைனஸ் CV ஈக்குவல் டு R dt. ஸோ dt கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ வாட் கம்மிங் த ஃபார்முலா CV, the Mayer relation CP minus CV equal to R னு எடுக்கலாம். Otherwise we are calculate the molar pressure means CP equal to இந்த CV வந்து இந்த சைடு ப்ராப்போ CV plus R. Okay, this is the molar relation. I hope you are understood. Thank you children. Next we see